Good morning. Morning. How's everybody doing? 1 second. I'll get the charts on the screen in a second. OBS. Okay. That's interesting. 1 second, chat. Apparently, I don't know how to use technology anymore. You know, the OBS, I don't know. It's almost like the setting changes every... Huh. Let me see. Okay. That's interesting. My fault, chat. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're back up. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I'm not sure what was going on with OBS. Sometimes it works perfectly, sometimes it changes up on me, you know. Okay, Discord. Hold up. Why is there... Interesting. Okay, let's get right into the charts. Since we wasted so much time on the setup, we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, let's start with GJ here. So GJ, this is the last day of the month, right? This is tomorrow is gonna be the last full day of the month, right? We've started rejecting, and it looks like we might reject and close inside this range over here, right? But that's just what it looks like, just based on what price has done within the last 2 days, right? During the week, we've mainly just pulled back on the monthly here. So I mean, there's gonna be some news today. It's possible we continue you know, we were able to hold this support and we close inside this range for next month. And I think if we end up closing like that, we should see this wick get a fill come next month. But right, for right now, yeah, that's just what's going on the monthly. Bullish though. So weekly is a very interesting candle, and I think it's adding to my suspicion that we're gonna close back inside this range on the monthly, right? Because we came up here, we closed, we broke into this range over here, right? This weekly range. Let me see. Go back. I mean, yeah, the levels could be finer. Let me see this. Yeah, not like the level right there. Yeah, so we broke into this weekly range. We came up, we tapped basically the top of the range, broke those highs, and then we started to flip back bearish, right? So at this point, this weekly, we could, I mean, we're in the middle of the week, right? So we still have 3 days left in the week, but in terms of towards the monthly candle, the monthly is gonna end tomorrow, right? So I mean, today we could just keep on dropping here and then close, you know, well, close on the monthly rather inside this range, right? And if we close on the monthly inside this range while this weekly candle is still bearish, I would assume we're gonna continue dropping down here to probably, or at least, the bottom of this range over here. Let's go to the daily. So previous daily closed bearish, but still respecting this this level here, this level of support. We've taken out these lows. We never took out the highs, but that could just be off of the fact that we rejected basically off a level. Like I said, this, I mean, we never technically came up to the top of this range, or at least where I marked it up, but you could also have this marked up here as well, right? And then if you're looking at it in that perspective, you tapped into the range, right? So it's more of a zone than a hard level, but yeah, it's important to keep that in mind. So I do believe we've tapped into the top of this range, and this could just be a rejection. The reason this never came up to grab more liquidity here or break these highs is because this was the rejection, and then we just started, you know, reacted off of this rejection, and then we've just been dropping, right? Now we've taken out these lows. Question now is, are we gonna continue dropping down, or are we gonna see a flip on this daily candle to come back up bullish and fill the rest of this range, right? So let's see the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour closed bearish as well. What is this? Yeah, so that's the previous lows. 4 hour closed bearish. We're inside this range now. Let's say a minor. Let's see. All right, this resistance hasn't held yet. This resistance hasn't held yet, so this kind of would need to flip, and then we'll know that this resistance is holding, and then we should see a drive down to fill the bottom of this range, or to fill the rest of this range. Well, yeah, so I don't think there are any, at least not for me. Yeah, I can't really see further back than that, but yeah, I'm understanding there this is a minor, well, it's not really a minor support. It is a major support, but it's basically the same thing as this. So this whole area, like anything inside this area, I really don't want. So I don't really want anything inside this area right here. So we either need to close above or below. All right, above this level on the 4 hour, or below this level on the 4 hour, right? Because above here we've come down, we've grabbed liquidity, to the bottom side in the breaking of these lows. So now if we're closing above, we look for a bottom wick, and then we should continue to move up. But if we close below this, that means this whole candle is closing bearish, right? And most likely to continue to move back down. So let us see. To be honest, it could go either way. It could go either way, because I mean the dailies closed, previous daily closed bearish, current daily is bearish. We've been seeing some bearish momentum during the week, right? It's majority been bearish momentum during the week, right? But we are still in a general uptrend, right? So you still have the opportunity for buys. Let's see. Let me see the levels on the hourly. Sell wise. Okay, let me just go here. And because I would say it's 50-50, to be honest, right? It's 50-50, but I'm leaning more towards the sells just because that's the current sentiment in the market. That's the current direction that price is leaning towards, right? That's the current volume. That's current direction of volume. Yeah, so sells below here. All right, sells below there. If I want to be safe, I should probably clear this whole range. All right, so sells below here. Yep, sells below there. How much is this? 7 pips, not even up to 8 pips. Yeah, 8 pips. Yeah, so that's a clear of the range as well. Yeah, I think these are good levels. These are good levels. There's something to be had inside this range right here, but it is just 8 pips. But depending on how price forms, you might still be able to get a good entry. So that's why I have it marked up. Actually, I'm just put this down here. Yeah. Yeah, I like these levels. Okay, so this is what we're looking for on GJ today. We're looking for sells below here, and even the buys, I would say buys above yeah, because technically you could just come here, reject. Whoa, how did that 4 hour? What did we reject off of on the 4 hour? Let me see this level. Okay, so we came up there, rejected off of the 4 hours. So that's a tap into this level. So we failed to break this level once. So if we come back and we break this level again, most likely we're going up. But what's the range from here to here? It's not that much. I mean, similar to the bottom though, but say 30. Yeah, I think you want to clear these highs here. Yeah, it's a iffy. Yeah, it's not the cleanest range over here. So yeah, I think you want to clear these highs before you start considering the buys as well. Yeah, so these are my levels right now. These are my levels right now. You have a little consolidation forming here on the 15. I reckon on the 5 as well. Not so much on the 5 actually. But yeah, 15 looks like a little bit of a consolidation is going on. So let's see if we're gonna break to the top side or to the downside. And if the break can get us into some entries as well. Yeah, so that's what we have on GJ for today. Let's check gold. Let's see what we have on gold. What do we have on gold? So monthly on gold is bearish. Most likely we're gonna, I mean, let me not say most likely, because we do have news today. We have news at 8:30 today, and I believe tomorrow is, yeah, tomorrow is CPI. All right, tomorrow, oh, no, that's euro, but I think for, yeah, CPI for dollar as well. So tomorrow is CPI, so there's gonna be a lot of movement here, right? So how the chart looks right now is gonna be very different from how it looks most likely tomorrow, or by the end of New York session tomorrow. So we could, volume could, you know, boost us up, and we end up breaking these highs and just driving, right? And then we have a closure above here. There's all-time highs, right? So we've never had a monthly closure above this level. So at that point next month, you should expect, you know, once you form some you know, some ranges, you know, you should see some good buys, right? You should be able to get some good buys next month. But for right now, we are still bearish. This weekly candle has just been inside this range. It's done pretty much nothing in terms of the higher time frames, right? So we tapped into this level. We haven't even taken any highs, right? We didn't take these highs, we didn't take these lows. We just tapped into this level, rejected, and we're just inside this range as of now. Basically just ranging. Probably looks like ranging on the lower time frame. So daily, the same thing, right? We've just been inside this range. All right, we tapped into this level, grabbed some liquidity to the top side. Looked like price was getting ready to go down, but we found support, right? There's a minor support over here, which is what I believe we rejected off of. And yeah, it looks like we're coming back into the range here, but let's see. So two bearish candles, right? If you notice here, we have something similar in terms of, we had a bullish candle close respected, and then we had two candles close bearish inside the range, and then the next candle drove off of this level, right? So today, can we see this candle come up here, tap into this level, and then drive down, right, to mirror this move over here? Let's see. But right now we're bearish just because the last two previous daily candles were bearish, and we are on the range. We're still in the range in the higher time frames as well, and respecting the resistance. The 4-hour looks bullish. I mean, it's a bullish formation on the 4-hour, rather. It's bearish. I mean, it looks bearish, but it's a bullish formation because we had this candle come down, no top, no bottom wick, signifying, you know, end of range, no more range. All right, we came down a little bit, create that bottom wick, and then we just whoop one time. So like right here is the end of range. It's just a carryover from this candle, basically tapped into the level and then just dip. All right, so we could start seeing some price start taking back some bullish space right here. Well, that doesn't make sense. So we could start seeing some bullish momentum in the markets. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Yeah, the 4-hour. I don't like the 4-hour chart today. Well, for a while now. It's not the cleanest. It's not the cleanest, I won't lie. But 4-hour, we're coming back into this range here. Maybe if we get a closure above here, we might be able to get something. All right, but this level has yet to hold, right? Because this candle is still open. So at any point here, we could just come up here, grab liquidity, and then flip, right? Or maybe even not flip, but come back to close in within the range inside here. My fault, chat. I'm just tired, dog. Okay. Yeah, so let's go to the hourly. So I'm looking for sales. I'm looking for sales. So that being said, so we're technically still respecting this level. Technically. All right, closer above there should yield something. And yeah, if we close back down into this range, we should be able to see a move down here. Let me see, what is this? Yeah, it's 11 pips. So even with just the flip, see that on 30-minute as well. Still a good level still. Yep. Very good level. I like it. See, that's there. Yeah, I think these are my someone came down, but it said, yeah, it didn't really close above. Yeah, these are my levels right now. These are my levels, because the thing is with the hourly, right, you could move this down here and have this be a support, but I think I have that marked up on the 30 as well. Okay, no, I don't. Let me see. Yeah, you have multiple rejections of that area as well, so you actually could be playing above a support right now. Yeah, you tapped into this in the past and moved up, right? Tapped into this area, came back down. Interesting. I think this is actually the, is this not the 4-hour here? Let me see. Tuesday 13th. Is this not the price I'm trying to mirror on the 4-hour? Or probably not. Tuesday 13th. Yeah, nah. Nah, it's not. It's not. It is not. Actually, oh no, the daily, my fault. Daily. Yeah, it's not. It's not. This is on the 9th. Yeah, this is on the 9th. How far, my brother? What's going on, man? What's going on, my bro? Yeah, so yeah, the levels get a little bit iffy here. They don't get too precise over here, so I'll just put it, I'm gonna put this yeah, support, we wicked here, wicked there, multiple rejections. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have my range be this. Depending on how price forms within the range, I might adjust it, but this are basically my levels. These are my levels for now. These are my levels for now. 30 hourly. Yeah, these are my levels for now. I mean, it's very possible we get a trade before news, because news is at 8:30, I believe. Yeah, 8:30. So on the hourly close, it's possible we get a position, but the only position I'm seeing that's possibly developing here before is if this hourly comes back down and closes below here, right? And then we could probably take the rest of that to minimum these areas here. minimum. That's TP1s and that. Okay, GJ dropping. GJ dropping here. Okay. Hour, that's the 4. So we could get the 4-hour flip even before the hourly closure here as well, which would be interesting. So the hourly closing in 3 minutes. Let's see how this closes. Yeah, be like that, man. I haven't gotten anything in New York for like, I don't think the whole week. I got a little bit in London though. Got a little bit in London, and yeah, New York has been choppy for me. Well, it's not choppy, but I haven't really gotten much entries on New York this week. Where we at? 148. Did you get back into Bitcoin as well? I don't know. Ah man, I blame myself, to be honest, because I literally drew this up, man. Like, I was waiting for the closure above, like you get me. I was waiting for. I probably wouldn't have taken this, to be honest. Well, on the buys, I probably would have. Just because I would be waiting for a bottom wick here, but I mean, on the lower time frames, I'll probably have been able to get in somewhere. Yeah, man. For else close I trade. When I even saw it, when I saw the initial push, we're already like around here. But then I was trying to get entries on the lower time frame. So I was basically waiting for this to happen, like a closure above this range here, and then retest. But I didn't. I was not around when this happened. And then here's another opportunity here to get in. Same thing. This one was basically the same setup as when you came out of the initial range. 26. Yeah, man. I swear, even me, so yeah, 26 is what, Monday? Yeah, that was Monday, yeah? Yeah. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, there's another opportunity here as well, but have we gone up too far at this point? I'm not trying to get in on a pullback, man. Let's see, where is the next level? Are we at highs? Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a little risky to take the entries right now, man. Now we're tapping into these highs. Let me see, is that a daily? Yeah. I think these are our next targets here, man. this as well. So we're inside that range. Okay. We're inside this range right now. Let me see. Delete that. See the hourly. Okay. Okay, interesting. Intéressant. Hourly 30. Yeah, that's interesting right there. Yes, we could possibly get continuation, to be honest. At least to the top to 6,400. Like if this was just a normal pair, I would say it's not looking too bad, to be honest. It's not looking too bad. It's 4-hour fills as well, because I believe we're currently in the daily range. Yeah, I think from like 5,900, right? 5,900 to 6,400. That's like a daily range, and yeah. Yeah, the safest thing would be to wait for the pullback, but I think I'll save this one for Friday. If I see something to take on well, no, I won't. I was thinking more along the lines of, because my challenge will end on Friday. Oh boy. Fair enough. I do that as well. I back that as well, but yeah, my challenge will end this week, so if I'm not break even by then, I'll look for the best position I can, and gonna need to do some over leveraging. And it might be Bitcoin, you never know. See, yeah, I think it's a good shout though. I think it's a good shout on Bitcoin, because we already came down, we broke these lows, grab liquidity. Yeah, 4 hour as well coming up. Yo, I'm out here on Bitcoin, bruh. So hourly just closed. The hour just closed. Okay, GJ hourly closed bearish below. Okay, created a top wick. First thing we did was create the top wick. Let me see how the 4 hour looks. Yes, the daily. Hourly 30. Let me see. 15. This is an interesting candle on GJ. It's an interesting hourly closure on GJ, because we tapped into here, we came back, closed back inside the range. So are we okay to take sales here? Okay, real quick, let me just look at gold, make sure gold didn't do anything. Nope, nothing on gold. Okay, so GJ now. We closed below a level here. Came up, 4 hour came all the way up, tapped into something. I'm not sure what level that is, but we tapped into something on the 4 hour. Right, came back down. closure back below, right? Came up, tapped into 15. So closure below there on the 15. It's a 15 level, right? See the 30 level as well. All right, okay. So interesting closure on GJ. So we could drive now. We could break these lows and drive now. Drive down to the bottom of this range, but what I'm currently looking at is this move over here. Right, we came all the way up, tapped this level, came back down, broke back down below, similar to this. But look how much of a pullback we had, right, before we continue driving down. Or actually, no, wait, because this is a closure below, came up to these levels, and then we melted. All right, are we tapping the same levels here or no? Yeah, we did. We tapped the similar level. We actually tapped deeper, right? All right, so something similar here. We came down here, tapped these levels, right? Respected that level, and then we had a closure back down below, where this candle just drove down, but now we have a closure here. Let me see. So news at 8:30. Okay, 5. How did the first 5-minute close? Okay, I don't like that 5 close. Okay, I think we wait for the 15 here. If we close like this, if we close respecting like this on the 15, yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. Let's see how this 15 closes. Because that wasn't a fake out, right? No, it wasn't a fake out. 30 hourly. The fake out on the hourly? Nope. Nope, 4 hour, then you would be coming down here. If this flips, you would go so flips as well. 130. Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. If we close bullish, we know we're either gonna be pulling back for some more candles or for some more what's it called, for some more liquidity before we start the drive down. To be honest, if the 15 closes, if we don't have an entry off rip, then we'll probably just wait for news, because with the 15 close, news is gonna be in 15 minutes, and it's dollar news, but dollar still affects GJ. I'm not sure about the macro and the micro economics of that, but oh no, I'm reading the chart. I just don't care, bro. You know, I did joke. Yeah, nah, like it's not the cleanest chart. I think the cleanest move would be below here, right? The cleanest move would be below here, just because we already tapped into this. We already tapped into this range, you get. But looking at the past, like looking at historical data, right? If you look at this move over here, we basically did the same thing we're doing over here. We closed into this range, came back up for a steep top week, right? We tapped into these levels here, which is also the level where price just oh yeah, like in terms of how the candle is forming, yeah, it's not the best, but it is, I mean, it makes it, like, just based off of historical data, it makes sense that we could get a drive down here, because a very similar move happened here. Very similar move, except this one didn't close here. It just drove down. It just went all the way down. Steady, steady. Steady. Yeah, we could see a drive here. Could see a drive here. Let me see. How did it do it the last time? We had the 15 close below and then a tap into these levels, right? Okay. Okay. How many pips is this? 5 pips. Not too good. Okay, let's see. So if we get a 15 closer below 190.312, so this level right here, we get a 15 closer below and then a tap into this level. So we get a 15 closer below here, tap into this level. On the flip, if the flip happens before, like 5 minutes before the news, I'll get in on the flip. So something like that. I'm basically looking for something like that. The low of the day, which is where's the low of the day? Yeah, probably, most likely, unless news just takes it to kingdom come. But even then, I don't think what news is it of GDP? Yeah, I don't think this is gonna do much, but let's see. Goods trade, GDP, goods trade. I don't think I've ever seen this. Well, no, I'm sure I've seen this news before, just I haven't paid attention to whether how much effect it usually has. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we're biased on the sells, but we're waiting for entries, news and entries. News and entries. Ooh, gold pushing. Okay, I like this. I like this on gold. Yeah, with the way gold formed over here, if we could break these highs, if we get a 4-hour closer above here, we should be good to drive up, to be honest. And the daily tap, oh yeah, we should be good to drive up. But let's see how price forms, because we've taken the lows and we never took the highs as well. But that could just be off this rejection here. Yeah, let's see how news forms. Yeah, this could just be a fat top wick, a really fat top wick. Wow, that's interesting right there. Oof. Yeah, if there was no news, I might be looking for buys right now. But 15 just closed, yeah. How many pips? Is it ugly open though? Ugly open. Yeah. If there was no news, I'll look for a tap into this level and then take a buy on the flip. But that's an ugly open. All right, my bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. It's 30, 30, 30. 30, 30. That's the dirty 30. So what was that level I was talking about? Let's see. So now this is sort of held, right? If this holds as well, okay. Yeah, my levels are. I mean, Comex open in a bit here. Comex open in a little bit. Yeah, if this 15 can break these highs on GJ, come back down, close inside the range, preferably close bearish. If news is in our favor with the sells, we will be in there. Yeah, Chad. I think we're gonna get something at 8:30. I think we're gonna get something at 8:30. Yeah, we're going up here, man. We pushing. So buys I'm looking for above there. Alright, what are the targets for the buys? Yeah, let's say I'm gonna say F all these ranges. It's 2030. 2030 is where 2030 is still inside this range here, but below this minor resistance. Okay. 2030 over there. Then let's see. Yeah, let's see what price does here. We're pushing up here though. It's a heavy push. Heavy push on gold like it was giving birth to a fat baby. It's about 10 minutes until news. Let's see what happens. Let's see what price can do for us. Let's see wagwan. Let's see wagwan. Okay, pushing here. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure some people got the buys here as well, but I don't really have a beat on price like that. I don't have a beat on this price action at all. Hey, gonna have two more 5-minute closures. Let's see how price does. Yeah, GJ going back into the range, but that's just a break of the highs, no? Yeah, beautiful. Right, if there was no news, I'd probably have a sell stop at the lows. Break of the lows, I'll have a sell stop most likely, because that's the 30 flipping. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, I wish it didn't create a. Yeah, nah. Did the 15 close above? No, close below though. Yeah, 15 close below. Yeah, I would have a sell stop right here, but we have news. We do have news. We do have news here. Three pips. Eesh. Maybe I wouldn't have a sell stop actually, but hey, don't matter because we don't have one now. Yo, dog. Hey, man. Oh, man. Inside joke, chat. Inside joke. Oh, my goodness. Yo, okay. It's funny how different people's lives are, huh? Even though we're all floating around the same marble. Jeez, all the way out, crazy. All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I like the 15 a lot. Yeah, if there was no news here in 5, I'd be in. Well, again, let's not even assume, right? Because I'm not right now, so that doesn't matter. Let's see. I like the formation. I like the formation. I like the formation very much. All right, that's the 30. It's gonna close bearish as well. Can the 30 close below here? Let's see. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Hey yo. Yo, nah, I was looking at a meme, bro. Remember when Goku gave Cell the sensu beam? It was like, oh, imagine the sensu beam laced with fentanyl. Hey yo, that's jokes, man. Two minutes. Two minutes. Okay, GJ pulling back. It's a minute. Got a minute. Thirty seconds. Yeah, let's see. Go. Go respecting this level here. Oh, not respecting this level. I stand corrected. Okay, come on. Push, go. Come on, push. Okay, we're respecting the level. I do not stand corrected. I stand, rejected. So, rejected. Okay, so let's look at GJ. So 30-minute on GJ closed bearish, so that's good. Oh, I think this push happened last second, right? Okay, 30-minute closed bearish. We're coming up, creating a top wick here. Let's see how deep this top wick goes. Because then on the 4-hour we're doing that hourly 30. Yeah, that could go either way, to be honest. That could be either or. Yeah, let's see how the 5 closes on GJ as well. The 5 will be key here. Now we're breaking those highs as well. 15, 30. Yeah, 5 will be key on GJ. 5 will be key on GJ. If there was no news, I would be looking for an entry on the flip. I don't know why I keep on saying that, bro. But yeah, 15, 30 as well. And we have a bottom wick here, but I doubt that's much of a bottom wick on my broker. How many pips is this? 15. Yeah, you want to wait for at least a 5-minute closure below this level. If not, you might just be waiting for a 15. Yeah, gold driving up here, which is good. That's very good. That is very good. Tres bueno. If we get a closure above here on gold, and we already came down, created a bottom wick as well. We need space though. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's see how we close here on gold. But we need space if we're gonna take those buys. Hourly 4 hours as well. 4 hour already did that. Create a bottom wick. So yeah, I'd say the hourly flip. Why would we flip on the hour? That's the 20-30, right? So yeah, if we're trying to come up here, we're not gonna flip over I'm gonna flip at 20-30. 15 pips. Yeah. Okay, now we tapped. We tapped into this level here as well. All right, minute for the closure. Let's see if we can get something here, boys. News was, high impact news was negative, so it makes sense. Direction makes sense. So what does this look like on the minute? Yeah, the minute doesn't look too good, to be honest. Then what did you respect? Right, that means you respected this. Yeah, you tapped in, respected, came back, broke below. Now the next candle forming that way as well. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Oh yeah, that's a flip on a minute. Yeah, let's see, 60. Yeah. Let's see. Order. Oh. Feel like 0.08 around there. 30 seconds left for the close. Damn, I don't like how the minute is forming though. But if this close is bullish, 5, okay. Damn, nah, if we close respecting this level, I'm not gonna lie, we need a good bottom wick. We need a good bottom wick, in my opinion. But it looks like we're gonna close above though. Nah, no, we didn't. Yeah, no, we closed respected. Damn, so yeah, most likely this might continue up, but for me right now, if I wanted to take this, yeah, 5, let me see the 5. Where could the 5 tap into? Right, closer inside, close back though. Boom, boom, close back. Yeah, so I would need a tap. If I was gonna get in on the flip of this 5, I need a tap into here, and then I have a buy stop at the break of these highs, and then yeah. So currently forming right now, but right, 6 pip vantage point there, complete range about 12 pips. Yeah, we're flipping now, but is that enough of a bottom wick? After respecting that level. And respected, I mean, here we respected the level and then we tapped into these levels. Here we respected. And we drove. Let me see. Yeah, you're probably gonna see this drive up here. Yeah, man. Yeah, really, I was looking for, because it was either here, a tap into here, or a tap into here, and I went for this one. So let's see. Yeah, that's gone. That's gone. Hey. That's gone and it's gone and that's gone. Let's see how the 15 closes though. You could get something on the 15. You could get something on the 15 close. 15 closes above this level, very likely you get something. All right, but yeah, let's see how that forms here. Let's see how that forms. I wonder if my role models took a trade. Yeah, no free promo over here though, you know. I ain't gonna say they next. I'm gonna watch his stream later. Yeah, I mean, I like the 5 on the. I like the 5 close on GJ as well. The previous 5 close. What it's currently doing is I mean, it's okay as well, but I mean, so broke below. Let me see in terms of rejection. 15, 30. What's 30 look like? 30 look like that. I don't look like that. 15, 5. I don't even the 4 hour as well. Yeah, you know what, chat? Well, let me see how this 5 closes. Actually, does it even matter, to be honest? Does it even matter, to be honest? Okay, that's a push right there. That's a push right there. 30, and then the hourly, right? Now your hourly level is gonna be around here. All right, and then 30. Okay. Yeah, chat. I think I'll have a sell stop here. 15. Oh man, but 5 closing bullish though. Interesting. Yeah, let me see how the 5 opens, chat. If the first thing we do is take out the highs on the 5, I'll have a 15 stop. I'll have a stop loss on the break of the lows of the 15. If not, I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close and then decide. All right, if it's there, then yeah, that means there's no reason to come back to these levels, because then we're tapping into, we've picked our level of rejection because we're already tapped into this level over here. All right, so let's say about 30. 5. So that's the 5, right? The 5 just closed. If this 5 comes up, so 2 things. If this 5 comes down without a bottom, without a top wick, I'll have a stop loss. Well, I'll put the stop loss right now, actually. I'll put the stop loss right now. If we continue dropping here without a bottom wick, or without a top wick, rather, 250 pips is this? 30. About 8. We gonna flip there or no? Okay, it looks like we're gonna flip. Yeah, so we flip now. So I'm not sell stops are not in yet. I haven't. If we break these highs, so what I'm looking for here is a break of the highs, right? Break of these 5-minute highs. Then I'll have a sell stop at 190.32 around those areas. If we just start coming down without breaking these highs, then c'est la vie, right? We might just continue driving down to fill the rest of the range, but we have 2 minutes or 3 minutes before the 15 close as well. So I mean, the 15 is gonna close bullish. We're not in there, right? We're not in that trade regardless. So we're waiting on the 15 here because we still have the 4-hour close in about in about 15 minutes as well. So we're not in a rush for anything. There will still be opportunities. Yeah, so this pullback is what I was waiting for on gold initially. All right, this is what I was waiting. So now we're tapping into these levels. We're tapping into these levels now. 15. Let me see what that looks like. 5. Yeah, so now that we've tapped into this level, let's see if we can flip. Yeah, but I mean, it's a big ask on the 5, but I mean, let's see how this 15 closes. So yeah, if this 15 can close bullish like this, we get one 5-minute bullish closure as well, we might be in. We might have trades. We might have entries right there. I don't think there's any more news, right? Maybe till 10:30. So and it's medium news as well, so we got time. Yeah, so this, yeah, we might get something on gold, chat. Let me see. GJ, yeah, GJ most likely is scuffed. This 15 is probably gonna close bullish here. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on gold for now because I think most likely, highly likely, we're closing bullish on the 15. So I'm waiting for the 4-hour close regardless on GJ. I mean, GJ could just, to be honest, the 4-hour could just flip and drive, but hey, it is what it is, right? Okay, 30, 15. What's the dollar index saying? Interesting. Expecting this level on the dollar index. Okay. Oh, coming up there, huh? Interessant. Okay, so gold, how do we close? 15. I like the 15. We've tapped into that level. Oof, I just need a little bit of a bottom wick, man. Oh, we might not even need a bottom wick, to be honest. Let me see. So 0.07, 0. Yeah, chat. I might. Let me see. 15. So 15, 30. Okay, so bottom wick. Okay, no bottom wick yet. No bottom wick yet. Did we close above here? No, we close respecting most of this. Should see a strong drive up. Yeah. Close below. Damn, man. 5.15. Yeah, if this 15 closed above here, maybe, but right now I need a bottom wick. Okay, so there goes my bottom wick. There goes my bottom wick. So this flips, taps into that level on the 15. It tapped on the 5. My fault. Tapped on the 5. Okay, let's see how this 5 closes. Ideally, or where I'll be in immediately is if we come down here, tap into this level, I have buy stops at the break of the highs. I'll have the buy stops at the break of the highs. But if the 5 closes above as well, man, it's a good shout. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good shout. All right, close above here. Maybe a little bit of a bottom wick. 30. Yeah, no reason this should flip for going up. All right, it's the 15 candle as well. Yeah, if we're going, I mean, if that's the move up, there's no reason we should flip on the 30 at all. So, and 5. Okay, so that's about 30. All right, let's see this 5 closer, chat. I don't have any sell stops yet. Most likely I will market execute if we close bullish above. Let's see. We're pushing. We're pushing. Shit. Sense. Why come all the way here if you're not gonna fill the range, right? Yeah, if you're going back to 2033 though, that means you're most likely going back for a steeper wick. Yeah, let's see here, chat. 30 seconds. Well, we gonna get a move. I think that's the bottom wick, right? Yeah, so I think here, I'll probably be in off rip. I don't think I'll wait for a bottom wick, but we'll see. If we don't make a top wick, I'll wait for a bottom. If we don't end with a top wick, I'll wait for a bottom wick. Okay, so there goes your 5 closing. Okay, we're opening, no bottom wick, but we do have a top wick. On the break of those highs, I'll get in the buy. I don't think you really need one. Okay, so I got in a buy right there. Yeah, I got in the buys right there. You should see this candle. I mean, if we're gonna reject and we're gonna flip and drive down, that's what's gonna happen, right? It's gonna happen pretty quick. But if we're gonna come up here and I guess tap into these levels first, that should also happen pretty quick, I'm guessing. The only thing I can say is, or the major thing I would say is against the position is the 4-hour close, right? Yeah, the 4-hour close, that's I'd say that's the only thing that's primarily against the position. So now we flipped, all right? Now we flipped on the 5, all right? So let's see what happens here. because like not waiting for the bottom wick there, it comes down to, are you willing to miss the move, or the possibility of missing the move? Oh, sorry, like taking the trade there instead of waiting for the bottom wick first is you don't want okay, let's say you have a scale, right? On the left hand side is missing the move, and on the right hand side is drawdown, right? So if you're more willing to go into drawdown than to risk the move, you're gonna get in the trade before, you know, the bottom wick, right? But if you're more willing to, you know, risk the move than, you know, stay in some drawdown, then you'll wait for the bottom wick, right? Yeah, plus it's not just like you're not just guessing, right? You're not just guessing it. The only reason I was in here before the bottom wick is because we already made this move right here, right? We already had to tap into this range, and I was expecting price to drive off of this range, right? So let's see what happens here. If I can break even before the hourly close, 4-hour close and all of that, that would be great, because then I could go look at GJ. In terms of managing the risk, the trade, I mean, I'd manage on the hourly close, to be honest. But I do understand. I have my stops in. Oh no, I don't have my stops set. Good point. Let me set my stops. 2 point. And TP, it'd probably be around here. Yeah, so you want this 5 to respect. That would be a plus. 5 respecting this support would be a plus for sure. Yeah, if we break these highs again, if we break the highs again, I'll probably go break even, because the break of the high should see us break the previous 15 highs as well, minimum. And at that point we should be tapping like that should be enough volume to tap us into 2036.75 or 2036.7 if that's what we do, right? It's all if. So the 5 respected, right? Hopefully it did. Yeah, so the 5 respected. Let's see if we can get a push here. 5 respected. I think previous 5 sort of open, no bottom wick. Let's see if we can get a push here to take out these highs. Yeah, just get ready with get ready to manage though. Yeah, last 5 minutes of the 4-hour as well, so we're probably gonna pull back here for the last 5 minutes. Yeah, you want to see the 30 close above here as well. 30. Let's see the hourly as well. Yeah, if the hourly respects here, I might just manage the position. If the hourly respects this resistance, let us see. I mean, at least there's volume, right? We know there's volume. Wait, did it? Hello, did it just break its own highs or no? I don't think so. Did it? No, I don't think so. Yeah, no, I don't think so. It might have broken its own high. I hope not. I hope not. Okay. Okay, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What we gonna do in 3 minutes? Looks like we're flipping in 3 minutes. Se gusto eso es esto. I don't know what that means. What's GJ doing? Okay, GJ. Hey, GJ came up here, huh? GJ came up. So we're closing back inside the range on GJ. Ah, okay, that's interesting. Yeah, so if GJ can close above, say, hourly 30 as well. So we just came down. We just literally came down here just to grab liquidity. It's a fake out on the hourly. That'll be a fake out on the 30 as well. Yeah, you could get 5-minute entries on GJ still, but yeah. But Goldie. Let's see what Goldie gonna do. Yeah, we're hovering right here, which is not it's not really a good sign. At the very least, I would have expected to, you know, take out these highs, this 15-minute highs, right? Take out this 15-minute highs before the 4-hour open. But let's see, because the 4-hour could open 4-hour could open straight bullish, right? We could just start driving up on the 4-hour, create a top wick, and then I don't know, come back down, you know, whether for a retest. All right, retest at this level and then go up. But let's see. Let us see. 15. Okay. Approaching the minute mark. We're at the minute mark. So 1 minute for the 4-hour close. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Seconds left. Yeah, the fact that we didn't see a crazy pullback. Okay, are we gonna take those highs? It's gonna be, so pay attention. It's gonna be a very important open. Okay, so we took those highs. I'm actually gonna move to break even. Yeah, I'm gonna move to break even because I mean, most likely, yeah. So my I mean, the position got taken out at break even, but we can still get more positions on the open here, right? Because most likely we're gonna see this pullback. Let me see. So 4-hour hourly came back, pulled back. Yeah. So on the flip of this candle, let me see, 30. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the flip of the candle, you should see. Damn, I'm just not sure about the rejection area though. But do we need to come down here? I don't think so. 15.5, because we already tapped into there, right? Previously 15. Yeah, we could take these lows here. That would be nice as well. Does the 15 have a top, or does the 4-hour? Does this count as a top wick on 4? Has like a very small top wick. We could get wick entries here. That's a daily level. That's a daily level. So this is the level we've been struggling to break above too. So yeah, I wouldn't take any wick entries here, but that's 7 pips. Right, so if we're able to come up here, we should be able to drive. Oh, I like that. Okay, chat. Point. Let's see. Previous hourly is what? Let's see. 6. I'm gonna be in this trade. We flip? Oh man, I might have gotten in too early. Did we flip or no? Oh no, we didn't flip. Now it looked like a flip on my broker though. Okay, now we flip officially on, yeah. Okay, so I'm in the trade there. On 630. Yeah, so I'm not expecting price to come back down. If this is the bottom wick, right? I'm not expecting price to come back down all the way. So I'm in the trade. I'm gonna go break even about 7 pips in, right? Which is this level over here, all right? About 2036 level, 2037 level, yeah, around there. And TP's up here, say 2038.5. And 5, and then stops 2032 on 26. Okay, so I have all my I have TP set, everything. So did we tap into that level? We sort of did, huh? We sort of did still. Yeah, we sort of did. We sort of did. Only 4 F4 would be the move up. I tell you what, if we break those highs again, I'll move to BE. Okay, we just broke the highs. I'm gonna break even. We just broke the highs. I've moved to break even. I would say if you, this is about 10 pips. So if you're happy with, you know, the amount you risked, or however, well, normally if you're trading a normal account, I would say take partials right here, right? Because now you're even deeper in profit. So take partials right here. But you know, I'm doing a challenge, and I'm trying to my challenge ends this week, right? So I'm trying to capitalize as much on the wins as I can. So I'm just gonna let this run full TPs. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this run a full TPs. If I see one bearish candle though, I'll close. One bearish candle on the minute, I'll probably close. Yeah, this minute kind of looking funky, huh? Yeah, let's see what this does here. Currently about 12 pips, 11 pips in profit. Yeah, did that close already or no? Oh yeah, that closed bullish though, so I'm still in there. Yeah. So yeah, you want to close partials if you're on a normal account, or you know, manage the trade however you manage it. But I would close partials here, but I'm trying to capitalize as much on the wins as possible. I don't really see why it wouldn't tap into these levels though. I don't see why it wouldn't tap into these levels minimum. Yeah, 2038.5. Yeah, let me move this down just a little bit. 38 point what? 3.348. And 38.34. Yeah, so that's a W. That's a W, chat. That's a W. See the minute. We're still closing bullish. I got my stops in profit as well, so yeah, if this minute flips, if we flip on this minute, I'll move my stops to the bottom of the, wherever the bottom of the current minute candle is. because it looks like we might reject off that level. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Yeah, this is why we close partials, chat. This is why we close partials. Yeah, that flips up. Yeah, so I currently have my my stops. Let's see how this minute closes. I mean, my stops are in profit, so I'm chilling. All right, I'm chilling. Stops are in profit, I'm chilling. 50, 70. Let's see, can this minute flip up? Can we survive? Can we survive? Yeah, most likely we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah. Yeah, so I got stopped out at like 2 pips. Plus 2 pips. But that is why we take partials, you know? Yeah, I really thought we would run up a little bit higher here, but I guess the 4-hour, the solid level on the 4-hour would be there, right? So yeah, it is what it is though. But good trade though, good trade idea. Good trade, W. You know, we can add to the record on that one on stream. I hope I was recording. Yeah, I was recording. Hell yeah. Okay. So decent trade. What is that? So now we got a little bit better percentage going. Trades that was gold. Oh yeah, I gotta go too. That's 2. Yeah, not too bad, chat, not too bad. I'll probably update the title to say with the timestamp that I took the trade as well. Not too bad if I say so myself. Not too shabby. Okay, so nice trade. Now we're rejecting off of this level, so you really want to see some closers before you take anything else there. But yeah, GJ closed above as well. I mean, on the 4-hour, we're respecting this overall level. Well, hourly close inside the range. That's interesting. Yeah, hourly close inside the range. 30. I mean, it is a fake out. Right, it is a fake out on the hourly, fake out on the 30 as well. 1 minute. What are we doing on the minute? Yeah, if we start ranging here, if we have like, if we can break above here and start ranging, I might look for the actually 30 hourly. Yeah, no, now we have a bullish closure though. So bullish closure, you want to confirm hourly close respecting as well. So this goes down. All right, yeah, that just goes down to the whole level. Yeah, so you want closures here on GJ. You want some closures to confirm the move, whether up or down. But yeah, no, that's gonna be it for me, chat. Current profit doesn't really change that much. I'm not really gonna do nothing with that. I think it might be like 146 now or something. 140, yeah, 147. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Same thing. Yeah, chat. So good trade. W trade, classic trade. Yeah, you could still, I mean, the day is still ripe for trades, right? So don't get me wrong, right? So there's still trades to be had, but as for now, at least on stream, that's gonna be it for me. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe in the markets, trade with protection, you know. Thanks again for viewing, for tuning in on the live. If you're watching this after the live, thanks for the view. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, you know. Get on the bandwagon before the wagon goes off. Just letting you know right now. Better pre-order, you know. All right, thank you. Have a good one. Have a blessed day. And we're gonna be back tomorrow, 7 a.m. Eastern. No, 7:30 a.m. Eastern and 1:30 p.m. Watt. That's Western African time for my people in the motherland. All right. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one.